Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to change your account name in Notion. So it's really simple to do. To start with, open up your Notion account. Then you're going to click on your space name in the top left-hand corner. Click on the down arrow. Then you're going to click on settings. From there, you're going to click on the name of your account, and this will show your profile information. So this is where you can change the name of your account and change your preferred name. So put in whatever you want, type in your new name, and you can see it changes in the top left-hand corner as well. So when you're happy with that, you don't have to click save or anything. That will be saved. Just click out of it and your new account name will show in the top left-hand corner. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.